Hello. Today, in this video, we'll be exploring the Bernoulli effect. If I take one piece of paper and blow down the side, it goes away just like expected. But if I take two pieces of paper and blow down the middle, watch what happens. They come together instead of going apart. So what is the Bernoulli effect? The Bernoulli effect works on gases like air and liquids like water. The faster it moves, the lower pressure it has, and the slower it moves, the higher pressure it has. When we had those two pieces of paper and I blew down the middle, I was blowing down the middle and the air on the sides was not moving. So the air in the middle was faster. That means it had less pressure, and the air on the outside, on the sides, was not moving. That means it had higher pressure. So the higher pressure is stronger than the lower pressure area. So it'll push the piece of paper together. And that's why when you blow down the middle, it doesn't go off to the side, but it comes together.